On the occasion of a new year and a new month, you might be looking for new deals on Amazon. So Dintalks have come up with a new video with the title, New Year Deals on Amazon. Do like, comment, and share. Also, press the bell icon for future updates. The link for the products is given in the description box. Go check them out. The first one on the list is DeskCycle 2 under Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser. This is easier on your joints and whisper quiet so you won't bother those around you. DeskCycle 2 mini exercise bike is adjustable. Drop it down to 9 inches for the lowest max pedal height of any desk bike pedal exerciser on the market. Works with any desks as low as 27 inches for people 5'10" and under. With more than twice the resistance range of other mini exercise bikes, our 8 settings range from very easy to hard. Great for using as physical therapy equipment. Our desk bike is user-friendly. For easy reading, place the monitor on your table with the included display stand. Coming up is Luelli Teeth Whitening Kit with LED light. Enjoy a wider, brighter smile in just 10 minutes with our LED teeth whitening solution. Use our whitening gel syringes and specialized tooth tray to enhance your smile instantly. After using this teeth whitening kit with LED lighting, see noticeable results after just one use. Apply the teeth whitener mouth tray for just 10 minutes per day to remove stains from coffee, soda, wine, smoking, and sugary foods. LED activation light comes with its batteries, so you can start using this stain removal kit the second you receive it. The third one is SunCleanse Roll-Up Dish Drying Rack. The sink dish rack is made of food-grade stainless steel and silicone coating, durable, firm, and safe. Its strong stainless steel composition gives it a great bearing capacity, great for drying dishes, cups, just washed vegetables, or fruit. It can also be a heat-proof mat, protecting your counters from hot pans up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and more. Don't waste precious counter space anymore. The SunCleanse over sink drying rack fits right over your kitchen sink, providing a thorough dry without taking up space. Once you're done, roll it up tightly and stick it in your cabinet for easy storage. Coming up is Amazon Halo View Fitness Tracker. Get a movement assessment with a Halo app and a personalized exercise program to help improve your movement health over time. Measure the quantity and quality of your sleep and discover daily meditations and delicious recipes from Whole Foods Market and more. Access an ever-growing library of expert-backed on-demand workouts and other ways to stay healthy. Ask your Alexa-enabled device to tell you your health summary, activity score, sleep quality, and more. Visit Settings within the Halo app and click on Connect Alexa to enable. Receive text notifications, start live workouts, and get move reminders right from your wrist. The last one on the list is FLOWEROOM Room Divider Curtain. Each wide-width curtain panel is constructed with 24 stainless metal top grommet. Curtains are crafted from high-quality and heavy-duty triple-weaved polyester fabric. The fabric can block up to 99% of light, helps save energy losses, provides privacy, and reduces noise. Both sides of the curtain are of the same color. They are heavy, can be used as noise-reducing curtains, and work more effectively than doors because the fabric absorbs rather than bouncing sound. Machine washable for easy care. Wash the water temperature below 86 Fahrenheit. Mild detergent, no bleaching. Low temperature for ironing. Hope you liked the video and found this helpful. Do like, comment, and share. Also, press the bell icon for future updates. The link for the products is given in the description box. Go check them out.